Hi guys, Chef Serge's here, losing weight, cooking healthy. White meat again, let's talk about it. A lot of you complain, I cannot eat the white chicken meat because it's always dry and not tasty. That's the big problem because people don't know how to cook. So, I never had any problem with the white meat. And I will show you how to do the simple way to cook white chicken meat, juicy, tasty, tender. First step, it is marinate the chicken, very important. What it's give us is gonna break little meat, give it a taste. So, here's the fresh onion, always good for any marinade. This is the half of lemon. Don't put too much lemon, it's gonna overpower your taste. So we're not looking for it, okay? And just a little bit vinegar, a couple drops of vinegar. That's enough. Again, we don't want to flavor of vinegar a lot, okay? A little salt, a little black pepper. And we have some spices. The garlic, granulated garlic is very good for it. You don't have to put it fresh. The paprika, always good. But everything by little. Cajun seasoning blend. Give us a little spice it up. And the curry powder. This one's strange actually. But it's give us a little bit taste, a little bit color. Okay? So everything a little bit. Because the main ingredient is it's a chicken itself. So what do? We mix it up. Like I said, don't have to be so colorful and everything. The onion and the lemon juice gonna break it down. Give it a taste, all your spices. Okay, very important, let it marinate, I would say at least 24 hours, okay? That's gonna give us a tenderness and taste. You can marinate just for a couple hours, fine too, but the best way, 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours, looking good, smell very good. Mix it up one more time. So it's a lot lightly marinated. So what we're gonna do is to put on a sheet pan and we're gonna bake it. And right here, right now, very important point, so we have refrigerated temperature, okay? So it's not a room temperature meat, it's refrigerated, so it's make the big difference for cooking wise. Okay, we're not gonna use the lemon, we can put it right here. And I'm gonna put all onions on top, kind of a little bit prevent of drying and it gives some extra flavor. And it's going to the oven, which I preheat 350 degrees, and it's going to be approximately 30 minutes, 35 minutes. The most important point after marinated, do not overcook. That's the whole idea of this chicken. Do not overcook. So we're going to time it. All right, 35 minutes exactly. We will see. So to check is ready or not, first you got to touch. Touch is good, it's a firm, but not too firm, okay? Let's see here, this is the thickest part, and which is gonna cut through and see it, and this is perfect. So, very important, 35 minutes, 350 degrees, okay? And I wanna show a little more how this inside of the chicken. Always cut against the tissue, so try like this. You see your piece is very tender, but it's done. You see, very tender. If you're gonna tell me the white meat is always tough, this is not truth. Marinate and do not overcook. Okay? If you wanna see more, of my videos, you wanna get healthy and skinnier, watch another video. Okay? And by the way, stay healthy, my friends. Bye-bye.